This is MySQL tutorial. It's for beginner and advanced also alike. MySQL stands for My Structured Query Language. My is the name of co-founder Michael. It's an open source relational database management system RDBMS that's used to store data into the table and manage them. MySQL allows user to execute statements like select, insert, delete, update, and replace. Select star from ProgrammingGeek.studenttab. This is the statement, select statement. Let's see the MySQL command. Select star from student in student tab. This is the select command. Update student tab, set student name equal to Alfred Smith, city equal to London, where student ID equal to 1. It will be update where student ID equal to 1. And delete from student tab where student ID equal to 1. It will be deleted the student ID 1. Insert into student tab, student ID, student name, city, values, student ID is 1, student name John, city London. Okay, thanks for watching this tutorial.